and these are my cats, Hagrid and Helga. And today we are going to be employing their help in trying out a product from MDXpods. This is their, there's cat fluff all over it, their cat kit. It is the world's first at-home cat genetics test. And I'm intrigued because honestly, I'm really not sure what kind of cat each of my animals are. They're both rescue cats. And since they're shelter cats, you know, like it kind of gives me a better idea of what to expect with their health and how to keep them in good shape throughout their entire lifespan. So when I open up the box, it looks like there are some instructions. I must say, I'm not entirely convinced that it's going to go quite that smoothly. I like how they labeled this, for animal use only. Enter the 14-digit barcode located on the tube. MDXpods.com/activate. Okay, start by adding a cat. Once your cat has been added, select the Activate Kit button. Okay, so I think Hagrid's birthday is sometime around August? No, 2016. 2016, right? When did we get this cat? Okay, so I've added a couple of photos. Save cat. Activate my kit. Your kit was activated. You ready, little buddy? He's thrilled. Step 2, follow the instructions below to collect your cat's oral sample. Swab the cheek pouch for 10 seconds to collect saliva. Right. Ready? This is gonna be fun. We're gonna have so much fun. Hi, Helga. How do we do this? Swab the cheek pouch. Hold the tube upright and unscrew the cap from the tube. Do not spill the stabilizing liquid. Turn the cap upside down and place the swab in the tube. Screw the cap on tightly to prevent leaking. Invert and shake tube vigorously 10 times. That's sealed in there. Postage is prepaid and the box is already labeled with the return address. And I'm gonna put this in the mailbox. All right, let's do Helga's. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, I know. Totally unnecessary and for my own entertainment. Helga, I love you, come back. Oh, yeah, she is pissed. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna pop these guys in the mail and I guess we just wait to see what the test results are. I'm pretty excited about it though. I'm back, it's been a few weeks, and I just got this email that both of my cat's test results are back. I think Hagrid's actually came in a little bit sooner than Helga's, which was interesting. I'm not really sure why that would be. But let's go ahead and sign in and see what we find out. I honestly have no idea what to expect. Plot twist, he's a dog. So let's look at Helga's report first. As far as I could tell, she seemed like she was a Berman or Ragdoll mix of some kind. Again, shelter cat, we don't really have any information, but let's see what the report says. So it gives a lot of information, a whole lot of information on how to interpret the test results, and let's just break it down. Your cat is most similar to these breeds: American Shorthair, Ragdoll, and Abyssinian. It has the genomic composition of the breed groups. And after that, it gives a few more breeds that she's genetically similar to. Those are Persian, Turkish Angora, Norwegian Forest Cat, Siberian, British Shorthair, and Russian Blue. And then for each individual breed that she's similar to, it gives a breakdown of a whole bunch of information, an overview, breed origins, genetic predisposition, and personality. So this is the information that I think is most valuable out of this. For instance, the genetic predisposition on the American Shorthair. It says that they can be affected by hypertrophic cardiomyopathy and are also prone to inherited craniofacial defects, which can range from mild versions like dermoid cysts to more serious conditions such as cleft palates and crooked jaws. With Ragdoll, it says there are a few things to keep in mind. These cats are at higher risk of developing feline infectious peritonitis, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, and this is actually caused by genetic mutations that have been identified in about 20% of Ragdoll cats. All right, let's look at Hagrid's. He is most similar to Abyssinian, American Shorthair, and Siberian. I was expecting to see a lot of Maine Coon in there, which is very surprising that didn't really pop up. Let's see if we continue down the line. Oh wow, Maine Coon is actually last in that list of cats, so it gives us 9 options of what it kind of found in your cat's DNA. That was very surprising. I thought he was gonna be a lot more Maine Coon. But you know, now that I think about it, his face is more similar to an Abyssinian, the way it's shaped. He never really developed that like wide Maine Coon snout. And then at the bottom of all these reports, it gives a health and wellness summary. And in this, it just kind of sums up how best to care for your pet, proper nutrition, and that will give me so much more information on what to expect with their life expectancy. Now that I know what kind of medical conditions to look out for, that's great information to have, and I'm actually really surprised to find out what kinds of breeds they are. I was expecting to see a lot more of like Ragdoll and Helga's genetic makeup. I was expecting to see a lot of Maine Coon and Hagrid's genetic makeup, and yet here we are. Pretty interesting. So make sure you check out MDXpods. Of course, I will link all of the information in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please click that like button, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content from me, and make sure you hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button. You'd think if you subscribe to a channel that YouTube would show you when that channel uploads stuff, but that only happens if you hit that notification bell, so subscribing isn't really subscribing, but it helps. All of it helps. And liking this video is a free way that you can support my channel and help me get more views. Thanks for watching.